The TB60 hot roll laminator, designed, patented, and built by Black Brothers Company, offers many advantages. Black Brothers has designed the TB60 for the simplest possible installation and operation, requiring only 2 workers, one who feeds boards into the machine and one who separates the panels after lamination. And if the system is supplied with a Black Brothers pneumatic panel feeder, the need for an in-feed operator can be eliminated. The machine can apply paper simultaneously to the top and bottom board surfaces or to the top surface only. A similar unit, the T60 hot roll laminator, is available for top surface only application.
We bought the machine, we looked at it, and they told us about the improvements that they had made, and the improvements made a lot of sense from my perspective because I've been involved with the laminator now for 8 years. And so the key modifications they made were really sound.
Foils and papers ranging from 23 to 120 grams can be smoothly applied with the TB60. The width of the paper can vary, but most stock is furnished in 4- and 5-foot rolls that can easily be handled by the TB60. Laminate materials are commonly furnished with a hot melt adhesive applied to the backside. The glue is reactivated upon contact with the heated rolls and then laminated to the boards as both materials pass through the nip point created as the rolls contact the board. Average application temperature is approximately 350 degrees Fahrenheit, but this varies with the thickness of the material and the manufacturer's recommendations. The continuous laminating process features consistent and uniform operating speeds. The running speed of the line is variable and is dependent on the thickness of the material and your production requirements.
We're capable of running it at its high end. I mean, with the old machine we had, we couldn't run more than 30 feet a minute. With the new Black Brothers, with its efficiencies that it brings to the table, we're able to run it at 75, and in fact we've run at 100 feet a minute.
The internally heated chrome-plated laminating rolls provide more consistent heat across the full width of the roll than is possible with rolls heated externally by infrared heaters. Unlike typical wet glue applications, the TB60 does not cause grain rays on the board, and the panels can be finished immediately after laminating. Panels coming off the end of the line need only be trimmed of excess material and allowed to cool to room temperature before they can be sent to a saw, edge bander, or other finishing machine. Because the process is dry, no ovens or air makeup units are necessary, so the entire process is simpler and requires fewer machines and workers, and the cleanup and the disposal costs associated with wet glue are eliminated. Improved panel quality is possible because conditions can be closely monitored by your own personnel, so you're not dependent on delivery from outside suppliers. And your inventory of finished panels is usually reduced because you're not required to buy certain minimum amounts from a supplier. More flexibility is possible because you can change from roll to roll easily to meet your customers' demands for a variety of finishes, colors, and grades of laminating stock. This allows you to respond more quickly to your customers' needs and provide faster delivery. Each TB60 is equipped with its own hoist for ease of changing from one roll of overlay to another. The swing-around hoist allows your personnel to conveniently change rolls without heavy lifting and without the danger of damaging the paper or the glue line as it's being positioned. This is an important feature since full-size rolls of laminate can weigh up to 400 pounds. The procedures recommended for threading a new roll are described in Black Brothers' operation, installation, and maintenance manual. Following these procedures will enable you to thread the material from both the upper and lower unwind stands in the most efficient and timely manner possible. The TB60 hot roll laminator is the heart of an efficient laminating setup. Depending on your production requirements, Black Brothers can offer additional equipment to facilitate and further automate your operation, including scissors lifts, conveyors, edge guides, and transfer carts. We also highly recommend making a panel cleaner and a pneumatic panel feeder part of your operation. The cleaner ensures the cleanest panel possible, and the feeder can eliminate the need for an additional operator. If you have a requirement for high production volumes, a Black Brothers hot melt adhesive spreader enables you to apply a hot melt adhesive directly to the board and allows you to use plain non-adhesive paper, thereby lowering your material costs.
What we've found so far here at Precision Wood is that the Black Brothers TB60 has been a big improvement for us. The maintenance areas have been drastically reduced to make it more user-friendly and idiot-proof. The machine can heat up in 30 minutes from a cold start. The throughput of the machine is in the 75 to 100 feet a minute. The variable speed control, the readouts that you get both on temperature and speed are features that really help us here to know that we're running at the proper speeds and temperatures. All in all, we're very pleased with Black Brothers and their service and their installation, and so far the machine has run very well.
Look to Black Brothers for all of your gluing, coating, laminating, and finishing needs.